Oats are a good food. The mistake is stopping there. And after 40, that changes everything. After 40, overnight oats don't stop working. They just stop working by themselves. You eat oats, you're doing the healthy thing. The bowl is basically empty, and yet you're still thinking about food. That's not a willpower issue. It's not because oats are bad. It's because your body after 40 doesn't respond to oats the same way it used to. And here's the fix early, because this matters. After 40, oats need protein, healthy fats, and micronutrients to work properly. Overnight oats by themselves are mostly carbohydrates and fiber. That's not a problem. Fiber supports digestion. Oats provide a slow-release energy base. For younger bodies, that can be enough. But after 40, muscle mass declines, insulin sensitivity shifts, and your body needs stronger signals to recognize that a meal is complete. Protein is the first missing piece. Oats are naturally low in protein, and after 40, your body relies on protein more to maintain muscle and support fullness. When you add Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, or even a small scoop of protein powder, you're giving your body amino acids that support muscle maintenance and stronger satiety signals. Many people notice they stay full longer and stop grazing mid-morning once protein is added. Healthy fats are the second piece. Nuts, seeds, nut butter, chia, or flax slow digestion and help energy release more gradually. These fats also support the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, including vitamin D, which becomes more important after 40 for bone strength, immune support, and overall resilience. Without some fat, oats can digest too quickly, which is why hunger rebounds. The third piece is micronutrients and fiber variety. Berries add antioxidants and vitamin C, which support cellular health and everyday recovery. Seeds like chia and flax add magnesium and omega-3 fats that support heart health and metabolic balance. Nuts contribute vitamin E, which supports tissue repair and healthy aging. Together, these additions help your body recognize that it's been properly nourished, not just fed. This is the common mistake. People eat oats alone and assume they've had a complete meal. After 40, that structure is no longer enough. In a moment, I'll show you exactly what needs to go into the bowl. No supplements, no extremes. This is the difference between the left side of the thumbnail and the right. Same oats, different outcome. When you add protein, fat, and micronutrients, overnight oats become a balanced meal instead of a quick carb hit. Protein helps preserve muscle, which is critical as we age. Healthy fats help stabilize blood sugar and slow digestion. Fiber variety supports digestion and helps your brain register fullness. This is why some people say overnight oats don't work for them anymore. They're eating the base, but skipping the structure. And this is where many people go wrong. They blame the oats, or they add more oats, or they stop eating them altogether. But the fix isn't bigger portions. It's better balance. Quick pause. If this is already clicking for you, subscribe and like the video. These are the kinds of small structural changes that make a big difference after 40. One viewer put it perfectly. I thought oats were the problem. Turns out I just needed to stop eating them plain. Once I added yogurt and seeds, I stopped snacking all morning. That experience is incredibly common. Notice what matters here. Oats are still part of the meal. They're just no longer doing all the work alone. Think of oats as the foundation. After 40, foundations need beams, protein, healthy fats, micronutrient variety. That's it. No extreme rules, no cutting foods out, no complicated math, just a small structural change that aligns with how your body works now. In a future video, I'll break down how much protein and fat tends to work best for people over 40, without turning breakfast into a numbers game. For now, if you found this video useful, subscribe, like, and share it with someone who keeps saying, "I eat healthy but I'm always hungry," and tell me in the comments where you're watching from. I read them all.